The cosmos has always sparked our curiosity, and with every new instrument we create, our perspective of the universe transforms. For generations, humans have looked up, weaving myths and mapping the stars. The arrival of the telescope unveiled planets, galaxies, and nebulae, proving we're just a small part of a much larger story. Today, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, stands as the most advanced space observatory ever launched. Its enormous golden mirror gathers the faintest glimmers from the universe's edge, letting us peer back in time to the dawn of everything. Unlike its predecessors, JWST detects infrared light, an invisible spectrum that lets us see through cosmic dust and uncover hidden wonders. This power reveals the secret nurseries where stars and planets are born, places Hubble could never reach. JWST's mission goes beyond breathtaking images. It seeks answers to the biggest mysteries. How did we get here? Are we alone in the universe? It explores every era of cosmic history, from the first light after the Big Bang to the formation of new solar systems. As we venture further, we must prepare for discoveries that could upend everything we thought we knew. The universe doesn't always offer comfort. Sometimes it delivers warnings. Already, JWST is rewriting our definitions of planets, stars, and even what it means to be a civilization. With this extraordinary new lens, we're not just charting space, we're probing the boundaries of life itself. Our journey of discovery is only just beginning. Every image, every spectrum, is a leap into the unknown. The universe is immense, and JWST is our boldest tool to unravel its secrets. What we uncover could forever change our understanding of our place in the cosmos. The quest for knowledge has never been more thrilling or more vital. The universe is sending signals. JWST is tuned in. And now, so are we. A new era of cosmic discovery is underway. Let's discover what secrets it will unveil. One of JWST's most thrilling missions is the study of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. We now know of thousands, but the big question remains: could any support life? To find out, JWST analyzes the atmospheres of these distant worlds, searching for the building blocks of life. The TRAPPIST-1 system, just 40 light-years away, is a prime target. It hosts 7 rocky planets, 3 in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist. JWST uses transit spectroscopy, watching starlight filter through a planet's atmosphere, to decode its chemical makeup. This technique lets us read the gases present, like water, methane, or carbon dioxide. But the first results from TRAPPIST-1's planets are sobering. Instead of signs of life, JWST finds atmospheres that are thin, harsh, or even missing. The data suggests that being in the habitable zone isn't enough. Many of these worlds may be barren. The universe is telling us that the conditions for life are more complex than we hoped. These findings are a crucial reality check. They remind us that Earth-like worlds may be rare and that habitability is fragile. JWST's search continues, but the early whispers from distant worlds are not of lush, living planets. They are warnings, reminders that the cosmos is not always welcoming. The search for life is more challenging than we imagined, but every discovery, even a negative one, brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. The journey is just beginning. Let's focus on TRAPPIST-1e, once considered a top candidate for habitability. It's Earth-sized, receives similar light, and sits in the habitable zone. Hopes were high for an atmosphere rich in water vapor, but JWST's observations revealed a shock. No sign of a thick atmosphere, no water, methane, or carbon dioxide. The planet may be a bare, airless rock, exposed to the harshness of space. Without an atmosphere, there's no protection from radiation, no temperature regulation, and no chance for liquid water. Life as we know it couldn't survive there. This finding is a sobering reminder. Even a perfectly placed planet can be uninhabitable. Red dwarf stars like TRAPPIST-1 are common, but their violent flares may strip atmospheres from nearby planets. The habitable zone around such stars might be more dangerous than we thought. If TRAPPIST-1e can lose its atmosphere, how many other Earth-like worlds are just barren rocks? JWST's discovery forces us to rethink what makes a planet truly habitable. The universe is full of worlds, but few may be as lucky as ours. The search for life is not just about finding the right location, it's about finding the right conditions. TRAPPIST-1e is a warning. Habitability is rare and fragile. We must cherish the atmosphere we have. The cosmos is not always kind. JWST has also studied hot Jupiters, giant scorching gas planets close to their stars. These worlds aren't habitable, but their atmospheres are easy to analyze. Scientists expected to find methane, a common molecule, but it's missing. Instead, JWST detects water, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. No methane where models predicted it should be. This mystery reveals that alien atmospheres are more complex than we thought. If we can't explain methane's absence on hot Jupiters, how can we interpret its presence, or absence, on Earth-like worlds? Methane is considered a potential sign of life, but these findings urge caution. We need to understand planetary chemistry better before claiming evidence of life elsewhere. The missing methane is a cosmic warning. Our assumptions may be too simple. JWST is teaching us to ask better questions. The universe is stranger than we imagined. JWST's discoveries aren't just about distant worlds. They reflect on our own planet. TRAPPIST-1e's lost atmosphere is a stark reminder of Earth's fragility. Our atmosphere makes life possible, shielding us from radiation and stabilizing our climate. But atmospheres can be lost or changed, sometimes by a planet's star, sometimes from within. On Earth, human activity is altering our atmosphere, trapping more heat and changing our climate. Venus and Mars are cautionary tales, one a furnace, the other a frozen desert. JWST's findings show that even a planet in the perfect spot can become uninhabitable. The universe is full of failed worlds. Earth's long-term habitability is not guaranteed. It's a delicate balance. These discoveries urge us to protect our atmosphere and appreciate our planet's uniqueness. The cosmos is telling us, habitable worlds are rare jewels. We are lucky to live on one. The responsibility to protect it is ours. JWST's warnings are clear. The future of our world is in our hands. Let's not take it for granted. JWST's insights also help us understand our own solar system. Its findings about stellar activity make us appreciate the sun's power and its dangers. Solar storms can disrupt satellites, power grids, and technology we rely on. Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere are vital shields, but not invincible. Space weather is a growing concern as our dependence on technology increases. JWST's observations remind us, stars are powerful, planets are fragile. Understanding these forces is essential for our survival. It's easy to dismiss distant discoveries, but JWST's findings matter here and now. They show that Earth is not just another planet, it's a rare oasis in a hostile universe. This perspective should inspire unity and responsibility. The warnings about fragile atmospheres and rare habitable worlds are calls to action. Our climate crisis and technological vulnerabilities echo the lessons from space. Science gives us wisdom, not just facts. We are all crew members on a small, beautiful spaceship called Earth. We must work together to protect it. JWST's discoveries are only the beginning. The surprises and mysteries it reveals will drive new research and innovation. Each observation adds to our understanding, even when it challenges our assumptions. The search for life is a slow, careful process, one that requires patience and curiosity. JWST is teaching us the language of planetary atmospheres, preparing us for the day we might find another living world. Even lifeless worlds teach us valuable lessons. The universe is more complex and wondrous than we imagined. Our journey of discovery is underway. The greatest adventure of our time has just begun. The cosmos is waiting. Let's keep exploring